Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to cover a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a watch list in your MEXEM trading account. First step is to log into your portal. Once you've got access to your home page, you can see across the top of the screen here, you've got some different options. If we want to create a watch list, I'm going to click on research. That brings up a drop down menu. Up in the top left hand corner, you can see we've got watch list, which I'm going to click on now. And this has opened up our watch list page. This is a watch list I've previously created. Down the left-hand side, underneath my lists, is where any watch list you create in the future is going to be for you to access. And then we've got some different options along the left-hand side. And you can see here, we've got new watch list, which I'm going to click on. When we create a new watch list, first thing we need to do is give it a name. Once we've given it a name, underneath here, you can see this is where I enter company name or symbol of what I'd like to add into my list. So I'm just going to add one in now, like so. Click on stocks, and you can see now I've just added some stock into our list. Very quick and easy. I'm just going to add one more for you to be able to see. Just like so. Click on stocks, and you can see here I've added in 2 stocks into our list. Our name is going to be Watch 3 for this list. Once we're happy with all the information we've added, you can see in the top right hand corner, we've got save highlighted in blue. I'm going to click on save. And you can see we've now created a new watch list. Underneath my list in the top left, it's been entered. As you can see there, as I said, this is a previous list I'd created. It's just a matter of highlighting the one you'd like to view. Once you're happy and you want to return to your home page, you can see here, top left-hand corner, I'm going to click on home, and that's taking us back to our home page. If you wanted to access your lists in the future, it's just a matter of scrolling down, and you can see here, watch list. I'm going to click on the blue arrow in the top right-hand corner to open it up. And now we're viewing our watch lists. And again, like I said, any lists you create are going to be in the top left-hand corner here underneath my lists. Back to the home page when you're finished. And there you have it. You've now created a watch list in your MEXEM trading account. Very simple and easy process. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.